This video is an introduction to visual link collections. Here, I'll share what a visual link collection is used for and walk you through the steps for creating one. Check out one or both of the videos related to this one about placing any kind of link collections on basic and landing pages. A visual link collection is a group of related links with required images for each and optional brief descriptions. It has a title, which can be toggled on or off, an optional general description about the links, and an option to link to a page or source for more information related to the links shown in the collection. It operates the same as a link collection, but requires an image for each link. A visual link collection works well on a landing page or basic page, where it groups similar links that are relevant to the page topic. You can begin to create a visual link collection a few different ways. One way is to hover over the word Create in the side navigation, which will open a menu of all content types in alphabetical order. Find and select Visual Link Collection from this menu. Another way is to select the Content button from the side navigation. Then select the blue Add Content button. Then scroll down to the Micro Content section and select Visual Link Collection. Either way will bring you to the Create Visual Link Collection page. Required fields are marked by a small red asterisk. All other fields are optional. For creating a visual link collection, you are required to enter a title and an image for each link, and at least 2 links to make a collection. Start by entering that required title. Try to be as clear and descriptive as possible to help differentiate this visual link collection from others, and to identify how the links in the link collection are related. For this demonstration, I'm just going to type My Visual Link Collection. By default, this title will be visible above the link collection when placed on the page. You may decide to hide the title by checking the Hide Title box. A description of your visual link collection is optional and, if included, will appear below the title and above the links in the collection. Then it's time to start adding links to your visual link collection. You may paste in a URL from an external website in the URL field, or if you're linking to another page on your website, otherwise known as an internal link, you can start entering the name of the page you wish to link to, and some options will start appearing in a drop-down menu. Find the page you want to link to and select it. Internal links will show up as nodes in the URL field, and the name of the page will automatically fill in the link text field. You can change this text if you wish by selecting the text and entering new text. Then it's time to add the image. This should be an image related to the link, or perhaps an image that is used on the page to which you're linking. Start by selecting the Add Media button. This will bring up a pop-up window to either add a new image to the media library or select an existing image. If you need to add an image, you'll select Choose File to find the image and then follow the steps to create adding the image to the media library. If your image is already in the media library, enter the name of the image in the Name field or scroll below to find the one you want. Check the little box in the upper left corner of the image you want, and then select the Insert Selected button at the bottom of this window. This will take you back to the Create Visual Link Collection page. Each link can also have a description. This is a great place to summarize what the visitor will find through this link, or to describe the audience best suited for the information offered through the link. You may also leave this field blank. After completing the first link, select the button labeled Add Another Item. This will offer fields to enter a second link. As I mentioned before, a visual link collection must include at least 2 links. You'll notice the red asterisk appears here to denote that this second link is also required. Complete the second link by following the same steps as the first, by placing a URL in the URL field, keeping, changing, or creating text in the link text field, adding an image, and optionally writing a description. You may continue adding links until your visual link collection is complete or you've maxed out all 12 possible items. If there is more information elsewhere, either internally on your website or externally somewhere else, and it is related to the links in your collection, you have the option to direct visitors there by entering fields in the More link section. As with the other links, enter the URL or search for an internal page, and then add or change the link text. Now you're ready to save your visual link collection. You have several Save As options shown in a drop-down menu next to the words Save As. These options include Draft if the collection is unfinished or needs to be reviewed, or Published if the collection is complete and ready to place on a page. Let's select Published and then select the Save button. When you do so, you will remain on the Visual Link Collection creation page, but you'll notice it's now called Edit Visual Link Collection. And there's a status message announcing that we've created our visual link collection. You can always find your visual link collection again by selecting Content in the side navigation, entering the name of the visual link collection in the title field, or filtering by visual link collection content type and selecting Filter. Your visual link collection should appear in the results, and you can edit it by either selecting the name of the visual link collection or by selecting the Edit button on the far right side in the Operations column in line with the visual link collection you want to edit. If you need to edit the link collection itself, this is the place to do it. After you make the changes you want to make, be sure to select Save at the bottom. Any changes you make to the visual link collection here will apply wherever this link collection appears, so you only have to make the changes once for all instances of this piece of content. And there you have it. Visual link collections can be a functional and eye-catching tool to group links of pages and information around a related topic. They offer a handful of options to meet a variety of needs and can be used across multiple basic and landing pages. You're invited to learn more about visual link collections and other types of microcontent in other video tutorials. Thanks for watching.